Hello, hello, hello. Hope I'm coming through loud and clear. Damn, I look that ugly? That sucks. Alright, let's look at some stocks, baby. Apple. Not really rebounding. AMD, solid rebound. Running into this 5-minute 200, however. That's going to be a problem. Maybe not, maybe so. Most likely, yes. Amazon running into some problems here. I like to look at the 5-minute for my morning trades. What do I buy into right now? Bro, if I knew the answer to that, I'd be rich. But, you know what I would say to you, bro? Is every month you buy the SPY, something like this. General Stock Market Fund. Good to see you, though, Pisha. How you doing, brother? I'm playing some music. I hope it doesn't come through on my... Good to hear, bro. How the children doing? That's the music, right? Yeah. A little loud. A little feel-good music for the morning, you know what I'm saying? I feel like my mic's a little high. I'm gonna lower that. Ooh, yo, I love Tarkov, bro. What? I love Tarkov. Let me get some water. Fucking Roomba take my slipper? Roomba took my slipper. All right, where were we? Citigroup. Nothing special there. Cisco. Running into some trouble with this 5. eBay. eBay's such a strong stock, bro. It's actually the strongest stock ever. Look at this beautiful chart. I love eBay. It's such a good stock. I don't know what's going on. It doesn't look bad today. This is a big jump up. I mean, to think that it's going to go more is not impossible, but we'll see. We don't know where we're going to throw into the watch list yet. Let's try and figure that out. What was this? CVX. CVX actually, so they have this 200 on the 60-minute. So it's probably not going to break below this. And if it does, it's probably going to bounce back up, so... Not really ideal to playing this short right now. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it, though. INTC, nothing special here. Everything's looking pretty similar. JP Morgan, still's got a lot of work to do. Coca-Cola. No real direction there. Nothing looks great. This might be one of those mornings where we're going to have to let things, like, just go and see what happens. It's always like some random stock that looks like it has no movement, that has the most movement. Morgan Stanley. Looks like everything else. Microsoft. Nothing looks good. TLTR looks all right. I mean, not really, though. All right, let's try and analyze the SPY here. What do we got for the SPY? Drop down to this 200. Looks like it's reacting off this 60-minute 200 fairly well. Fairly well. Still got a lot of work to do, though. Yeah, let's see. Target, nothing crazy. Snap, I don't even know why Snap is on this watch list anymore. This stock used to be... Yeah, this stock used to be freaking $82. Holy shit. UAL. Uber, I mean, they're running into all this stuff. I don't know, bro. This is... Visa? I'm not touching Visa anymore, bro. This stock freaking killed me one day. I don't think I should ever touch it again. Might be able to find exactly where it killed me. Yeah, it killed me right here. This wick killed me. I shorted this. Well, I tried to short here. I didn't get in. So I got in here. No. I don't remember. All I remember was I got in on the way up and it went all the way freaking up. And this stock is so expensive that I got destroyed. So let's leave that alone. Forever. All right. Verizon. Honestly, Verizon looks pretty tight in terms of how these moving averages are stacking together. Like on the 15, on the 2, on the 5, they're all super tight, which is usually a good sign. But there's still no real direction here. But I think I have this on my little watch list on the side here, so we'll leave it there. That's probably the best looking stock, and it doesn't even look good, so we'll see. I mean, if it drops, it has this 200 here, so that's not good, and it doesn't look good up. So honestly, man, doesn't look good at all. Doesn't look good at all, but it's the best looking stock for today. All right, let's see here. WFC, Walmart. All right, well, that's the end of my watch list. I think I got to start adding some watch list stuff. If anybody in the chat has something that you want me to look at, go ahead and let me know. Usually I would charge for this, but I don't have any stocks to look at today, so it's free. Free today. Because there's literally nothing to look at. I want to... There we go. Live, right? Yeah, we're live here. Okay, good. Give a thumbs up if you guys are watching on YouTube for some reason, you know. If anyone's out there. Man. Nothing to look at here, boys. I was not able to literally bring anything onto my watch list. Try and watch. Let's look at some news. Here we go. Stock markets today. Okay. Dow set for 200-point gain. S&P and NASDAQ seen higher after Friday's tariff and jobs fueled sell-off. Stocks attempt to bounce back after Friday retreat, sparked by weaker than expected job data. Ooh, I should have put that in my title, huh? Job data. Job data. Why am I even on Market Watch? I don't have it. Go to good old-fashioned Investopedia. Go ahead and hide this. Just so nobody knows what's in my bookmarks. Maybe I should hide my bookmarks in general. There we go. Okay, what to expect this market? This week's earning. Okay, so we got a couple big earnings here, everybody. We got earnings from Palantir, AMD, McDonald's, and more. Key takeaways. Several key companies are slated to report earnings this week, including Palantir, AMD, McDonald's, Pfizer, Disney, and Uber. Investors will be watching for economic data releases on the U.S. Let's do it like this so we can still... Yeah, there we go. Do it like that. That looks ugly. It doesn't look better either. All right, investors will be watching for economic data releases on the U.S. trade deficit, productivity, consumer credits, and services sector sentiment. San Francisco Federal Reserve President Mary Daly and St. Louis Fed President Alberto Musalem are among the Fed officials scheduled to deliver remarks this week. So everybody keep an eye out on that. Last week brought a string of blockbuster corporate reports. Those will continue in the days ahead with big tech companies and well-known consumer names set to publish their quarterly financial updates. So we did have a good earnings for Apple, but as you can see here, kind of died out because the market sold off. So good earnings, bad timing. Market looks... Apple doesn't look good at all, honestly. So we'll see. We got about 2 minutes till the market opens. I'll try and go through these stocks one more time, see if there's anything to put on the watch list. Anything that doesn't look so bad. I mean, nothing really looks good here. I mean, I don't even know. None of this look good. So if you guys are curious as to what I'm looking at, this is the pre-market price. So basically that's what I'm checking here. Little tab there, pre-market price. So this looks good. I mean, if this falls out, but like I said here, you have the 200. So it's gonna have to break this 200 decisively. There's a lot of times where the 200 gets broken. I mean, this is a 60-minute 200, so big deal here. This isn't going to break so easily. I mean, if it does happen to break, problem is that this is already, if it breaks this, it's already, well, it's actually not that much down. We're at 60 cents down. So it's not impossible. We're going to have to see here. Uber doesn't look terrible. Let's see. I mean, it's at least it's above this 200, but I don't know, man. This doesn't look like the best day. There's no data today. We have factory orders at 10 a.m. So nothing crazy. The deficit's tomorrow. It could just be that they're waiting. We get some waiting for these new numbers. 2 p.m. on Wednesday. Not Powell, but some other Fed people. I mean, probably not going to make a big difference, but we'll go ahead and see. 30 seconds, 20 seconds to the open. Let me make sure my sound is on so we all hear it. All right, well, I didn't get it in time. Market open, baby. Here we go. What are we looking at here, everybody? I'm going to look to my right now because that's where my other monitor is. We have Uber on the screen right now. We have Walmart moving a little. Walmart with a pretty decent move here. Now, is this enough to go long? Absolutely not. But you know what? Just for the sake, I don't know. Yeah, no, I mean, we're running into so much here. It is a nice move. It's off the 200 too. Maybe if we get a little 1 minute action, I'll put a nice long stop. Look, it's already getting eaten up. I mean, huh. Stop of 98.20, just for something light. I'm not gonna lose. If I lose, it's gonna be very little. Just so I can have something going here. But I like that it's coming off the 200. Let's see here. Something pretty light here. I'm gonna throw in my stop loss. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting movement here. That 200, baby. It's that 200 is moving so fast. It makes it move. It really makes it move here. So I'm in light, but if this gives me an opportunity to move, to add, I will add. Uber actually doesn't look bad either. See, yeah, dude, this thing's moving, man. It's the 200 on the 5 minute. Whenever something originates from there, it's a clearing bar too. So this is pretty good. Unfortunately, I went in light because you know, the day didn't look so great. I wasn't sure if it was gonna clear all this stuff, but it looks like it's clearing it. Not too late to be a loser though. Let me look at Uber here. Uber doesn't look terrible either. It's also kind of similar to this 200. If I did want to get in, I might have a shorter stop here. Then again, I should probably just do the whole thing, right? So this is about a 50-cent stop. No, wait. Oh no, that's almost $1. Oh shit. Almost a whole dollar here, so I gotta see. Walmart looks pretty good. Let's get back to this Walmart trade. It's kind of setting up. If we get something like it stays above and then this bar gets taken out, I'm gonna raise my stop a little higher, or maybe I might even just leave the stop there. Honestly, I have been wanting to try and raise my stops. I mean, take bigger stops lately. Sometimes I take stops that are too small and it really screws me over. So let's see here. Verizon doesn't look bad, but then again, it's got a lot of stuff to go through. I'll show you guys Verizon here. This doesn't look terrible, but look at all this. You know, there's a lot to the left here. So the good bar. This is a sexy bar. Can't lie. It's a sexy bar, but can't let the sexy bars fool you guys. Yep. Decent read on Walmart though. I'm pretty happy about this. If I was up a little, if I put a little heavier into Walmart, I'd probably be taking profits right now, but I didn't put too much in, so I'm gonna add one. Here we go. Adding one on Walmart. Gonna readjust my stop. Probably just gonna keep the same stop, to be honest. Gonna leave my stop there. Increase my risk, but I'm gonna leave the stop right there because I like the stop right under this big sexy bar. See if we get some more movement. It might be a silly play. I mean, the SPY is moving fairly well. SPY setting up a little 2-minute bar, but we got this 5-minute here and it's closing the gap, but there's no guarantee this is gonna go all the way. We'll see though. Walmart's one of those stocks, man. I don't know. I love trading Walmart, honestly. I love trading Walmart. See how it goes here. Oh, I would like a nice break of this. 99. 99.20. That'd be nice. See what happens. Looks like everything else is stalling out. Uber looked good, but you know, kind of looking a little bit like Walmart. I don't see this as a play right here. I mean, technically it's a play, but look at all this stuff, you know, on the left. Looking at all this on the 5-minute, it's gonna be hard to get through all that. Walmart, it looks like it made a move for me. That's nice. Like that. I love to see that. There we go, Walmart. Another person would add here, but not me right now. I wouldn't add this. I already added here. Another add is just a bit too much. That's a little too aggressive for a day that doesn't seem to be Very decisive. Now, I mean, Walmart, yeah, look how nice and big this is. This is a little too big for my liking, you know, so. It already moves so much. How much more do I want it to move, realistically? So, you always got to think about that. Not that it can't move, but Uber's kind of setting it up. Yeah, Uber's setting up a decent play. Should I play this just for the lulz? I don't feel like it. NVIDIA's setting up pretty good. Oh, it already had set up. It's already too late for NVIDIA, but let's see. Yeah, this was a good move. Realistically, you'd want to get in here, but you know that's not really. It's already too close to the sun for me. If you're a maniac, you would get in probably above this bar. As soon as this bar breaks right here, boom, you get in, and then you're probably in some decent profit because if your stop's right here, then you're probably about 1-to-1 or close to 1-to-1. So. Depending on your style could be at break even. So far decent. Not too late to go to shit though. That's what I always say. Not too late to turn around. At least we got some good music tonight, everybody. Check out our Walmart trade. It's doing a little dance here, and I'm not crazy about it, but you know, we'll see. Like I said, this stock already moved a decent bit, so if we get another leg up here, if we get a nice leg up, I'm gonna move this stop to break even. Potentially take a profit. Can't really expect much though. Look at these higher time frames. Yeah, this makes sense. Look at why it's stalling here. We got these three bam bam boom. 3 peaks here stopping it, so there's no surprise here why it's having trouble at this area. Nonetheless, we will let it do its thing. NVIDIA's moving well. NVIDIA did move pretty well. Yeah, that's a good trade. Somebody must have taken that. I mean, maybe. I mean, somebody's in it. Just God knows who. Gonna have some trouble right here though, so. Did we short? Absolutely not. Or do we? Nah, we don't short. Walmart. Setting up a little flag here. I would like a decisive break of this flag. Asking it to do a lot, though. I'm asking it to do a lot. I don't know, man. Can't ask stocks to do too much. Like the video, guys, if you happen to be watching on YouTube. Verizon got wiped out. Everything it just did got wiped out. Nice big wipeout bar. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, some might short this. Honestly, not the worst idea. I might short it. Set the stop right above this 200. Then again, it already moved a decent bit. I don't know. Yeah, this is a short. It's somewhat a short. I mean, there's stuff here, but if you want to just dip your toes into it, I wouldn't be opposed. NVIDIA's still going though. NVIDIA's still going. Right above there. That's where I think it would have trouble. Our Walmart's pulling back on us. That's unfortunate. We have these moving averages to help us out though. Hopefully this 8 does a little something something. Big red bar here though. That's not the best. We have a nice long stop loss though, so stop loss is far away at the very least. Increases our odds of not stopping out, but it also decreases our profit. And which one do you prefer? That's something you got to figure out by yourself on your lonesome. Coca-Cola with the nice little reverse bar here. Honestly, this was a good trade. Fuck. This was a good trade. I probably would have took this if I saw it. Stop above the, give it like a 70, right? 20-cent stop here? No, 60. That's a 10-cent stop. Walmart showing some life, but this is a big bar. You know, I mean, this bar is bigger, and we're still in the half, so it's not bad. But is this the rest that we need? Hopefully. Verizon looks like it was a good short, though. Yeah, Verizon was a good short. I mean, it's got this 200, but just because the 200 is here doesn't mean you can't make the profit. Because the 200 is a big time frame, you know what I'm saying? So it might look like it's close, but on the smaller time frames, that's a lot of profit, you know? So let's see, it's at 46. So 46 is all the way over here. That's a decent amount. That's a long way away, you know? Walmart's doing all right. It is reacting off this 8, which is good, but how much? We're going to see. We will see. Oh, my cat's nestling. She wants to be in the shot, apparently. eBay is completely dormant. Check on these other stocks. Apple. AMD. AMD reaching this 200 here. Amazon. Not good. Citigroup. Not terrible. Cisco looks alright. This wasn't the worst trade here. I mean, got a little bit of movement, not so much. Kind of a slow morning. I'm gonna lower this music, make sure it's not getting picked up by my freaking audio. I love the music, but I don't want it to get picked up on my mic. Microsoft, wow, that's nice. Look at that. That's a good one. Such a high price stock. The thing is, I hate when stocks move so much on the first 2 minutes, because like, are you going to be the crazy guy that gets in here? And if you are, you know, God bless, but it's so volatile in the first 2 minutes. Verizon seemed to have found a bottom here. A double tail bar here so far. Double tail bar usually means buy, but I mean, are you gonna buy all the way up to 78 or 75 or 72? I mean, I don't know. To get some decent profit, you're gonna have to put a lot of money in, and it's actually taking away this tail bar. See, I spoke too soon. You gotta let the tail bar form. Look at that. I gotta stop burping into the mic. What's wrong with me? I see somebody out here buying this. I could see somebody out here buying this. And it might even be a good idea. Might even be a good play. Look at this little 5-minute setup here. Yeah, what up, Pisha? Yo, I love Tarkov, bro. I hope your Tarkov match went well. Usually my Tarkov's match end in cold sweats. Like literal handshaking. It looks like Verizon did not find the bottom that we were looking for. No, I've actually never tried PvE. I just usually do the regular stuff, but that sounds cool. Yeah, Verizon, honestly, yeah, it cleared this. I remember I was talking about it before, that it's in this tight state, you know? Tight state, big red bar. If you're, you know, somebody might have just gotten it right under this close. Yeah, it's still going. Good play here. If anybody's in Verizon, good for you guys. Going fairly well. All right. so we got a little bit of movement on Walmart. Reacting off this 8 pretty well. Still got a lot to go. We can get a break of this. I'm not going to add, but I might raise my stop loss. Yeah, I don't know what PvE is. I don't know what is it? Is it like a battle royale kind of thing? Alrighty, let's see. Now, do we play Verizon off the 200? Honestly, it might not be the worst idea. 4-6 is where that would be. That's right around here. 4-6. What's normal Tarkov? Oh, PvE. Oh. I'm sorry. I thought you were talking about the PV. Wait, PvE. There's no PMCs, huh? Interesting. All right, Walmart looking good, baby. Come on now. Decisive break is what we're looking for. Another leg up. Nice little thunderbolt pattern. So if this 2-minute bar closes right around where it is, I'm going to raise my stop. Take a break even on this trade. But you're asking a lot of the stock. So make sure it does it. Everything else is pretty quiet, though. Microsoft is just flying. Holy poop. Stock is flying. Is there anywhere it's going to stop? If it would stop right around here, right? For a quick turnaround. Check SPY really quick. Wow, SPY with this beautiful thunderbolt. Look at this beautiful boom, bam, boom. Oh my god, what a beautiful stock. What a beautiful stock. Okay, yeah, just AI. I guess, yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, that sounds fun, but I mean, the best part of the game is killing somebody else, you know, finding a PMC and murdering him. So once you get to that level, it'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, Gavs are fun too. It gives you a good understanding of the game and the maps at the very least. Man, you guys gotta hang this up on your wall. Look at this beautiful boom, bam, boom, and you're done, dude. You're absolutely done. Boom, bam, boom. Out at 2.9 or 2.8. No, 2.9. I'm sorry. Out at 2.9. Call it a day. Hit the beach. Walmart doing its thing. It closed. All right, we're taking the break even on Walmart. And you know what? I'm going to go right under this little red bar. Come on, Walmart. Taking profits at 9.40. Just so I'm not a liar, I'm gonna put up. We're taking partial profits. I should have mentioned partial profits at 99.40. Yeah. Definitely learning the maps is huge. All right, Walmart, show me what you got, baby. Yes, sir. Coca-Cola set up a decent little set. Let's see here. Let's leave Walmart alone. It's a little shy. It wants to do its thing on its own. This is a decent little. Look at that. That's not bad, actually. Right up to 200. Boom. Honestly, get in here if you're crazy. Look at this little tight little stop. Tight little stop right here. 5.6. That's a 4-cent stop. That's a little too much. That's a little too tight, honestly. But somebody took it. Not me, but somebody. Walmart. I don't want to look at Walmart, but it's doing its thing. All right, we'll take a peek. We'll take a peek. Come on, Walmart. You're so close. No, no, it's shy. It's shy. It's shy. Let's go to something. Go to something else. Go to Apple. Yeah, let's look at Apple. AMD. Amazon. JP Morgan. What's moving here? Microsoft is moving. Microsoft. Are we crazy enough to short this? Are we absolutely insane out of our mind? Probably a stupid idea. But it just might be stupid enough to work. Said every trader ever. Walmart got shy. Yeah, Walmart got shy. 2 cents away, it seems. Let's see. The high is 38. We were 2 cents away from our side. That's pretty average. That's usually what happens. Coca-Cola is doing well. Doing well for this short. 5 cent short. Let's say you did 5 cents, right? Boom. You're in 5 cents. You're in at 5. Okay, you're in at 5.50, right? Let's just be conservative here. You're already up 15 cents. If you're at a 5 cent, that's 3R on your trade right there. And that wasn't even the real move. Honestly, if you're a really crazy son of a gun, you get in at 5.9. If you're even a crate, no, this is too much. That's too crazy. Getting in at 7.1 is too insane. Nobody's that crazy. Nobody's that out of their gosh darn mind. Oracle looks good. Wow, look at this. I mean, it's not actually so pretty because look at this giant wick. You'd have to have your stop under this bar. Walmart. Uh-oh, Walmart. Coming out to play. Come on, Walmart. Walmart. Dude, every time I look at Coca-Cola, it's just going lower. This is pissing me off. Pissing me off. We're about another 4. We're at 4R if you got in at 5.1 at 50. You got in at 50, you're up 4R. Go home right after that. Shut your computer off. Go to the beach. Uh-oh, Walmart. Now, here's the thing. I shouldn't even really take profits here. If this hits, I probably shouldn't take profits because it's taking out a red bar, but we're going to leave that there. We're not going to ask the stock to do too much. We're not going to ask little old Walmart to do more than it, more than it has to. Let's see if we should have shorted Microsoft. We shouldn't have. Haha. I mean, maybe now we shorted. Maybe now. Oh, profit taken on Walmart. Bada bing, bada boom. You love to see it. All right, so now that we have a new break even, we're going to break that. Honestly, I should probably put it under this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Walmart. Oh, my God. Oh, my Walmart. All right, so here's an super advanced technique everybody needs to know. You put the stop under the nice, fat, big green bar in this case. Nice, fat green bar. Let the market take you out there. It also coincides with the 8 moving average. This is a bit aggressive because of how much the stock has moved so far. But hey, you know what? Crazier things have happened, ladies and gentlemen. Crazier things have happened. So we're going to leave that there. Is there another opportunity in the market? I don't really see anything. If you guys see something, let me know. Shout it out. I will take a look together. But I have partial profits taken on Walmart, so I'm making money on this trade, which is better than losing money. Looks like Coca-Cola finally reversed, so thank God, because that was hurting my soul. Yeah, there we go. So it looks like you didn't really hit 30, which kind of sucks because I feel like a lot of people were probably waiting for 30. So that must hurt. Probably a lot of people were waiting for 30 and they didn't get it. So Walmart's kicking, bro. Let's freaking go, baby. Look at this beautiful trade. This is why you're supposed to add. Remember when I said that you're not really supposed to? I shouldn't have took profits here because if you're breaking this red, then it's gonna go higher. Remember when I said that? I do. I remember when I said it. But you know, you can't ask the little old stock to do too much. Oh, I never changed. Oh my god, I never changed my stop loss on Walmart. That's a rookie mistake right there. So if the stop did hit, I would have went opposite because I took half off and I didn't take half off on the stop loss. Trying to look at Walmart as a whole. Yeah, this shit's not going much further, bro. Yeah, Walmart's done. We're gonna leave it as is, but Walmart's done. I'm only not raising my stop because I have to make a habit of not raising my stop. I do that so often, and like everything I ever freaking get into takes off after I get out. So, and everything I stay in usually stops me out, but it's all good. $10 o'clock reversal time, everybody. Should we have shorted Microsoft? Looks like no still. Looks like no. You still don't short Microsoft yet. And that's what gets you in trouble because this is a $500 freaking stock. Oh my Walmart. Oh my Walmart. Do we raise our stop yet? How about a 5-minute? I'll do a 5-minute stock raise. Jesus Christ, this freaking thing is still going. I'm doing it. I don't care. I'm doing it. I'm raising it. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. It's raised. Come on, hurry up. Drop and hit. Drop and hit. I already know you're gonna do it. Drop, hit, go back up another $3. I don't care. I don't care anymore, Walmart. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt my feelings anymore. I'm numb to it, Walmart. Nothing you can do can hurt me. I'm already dead. Mogging on Walmart. Casually mogging on Walmart. Alright, let's try and look around here. Look around for other opportunities that you see in the market. See, like, these are all kind of plays, but at the same time, like, how much, you know what I mean? Like, what else is this gonna do? Oh my god. Oh my god. This literally got more beautiful. We have a double thunderbolt on SPY. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my whole life. A double thunderbolt. Holy poop. I did say 2.9 and we're out though, right? So technically I would have been in for the next. Walmart's about to stop me out. That's okay. Oh, do I lower my stop? No, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not lowering the stop anymore. I just leave it as is. That's okay, Walmart. We went for a ride. We took the ride. I rid you. You've been rode. And I'm okay with it. Do what you must. Do what you gotta do. No hard feelings. You've been successfully ridden. Do we short Microsoft yet? Still no. Wow. Still no, baby. So beautiful. Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Hop, boom, hop, boom, hop. Oof, and it's still going. God, that's pretty. Walmart. Oh, Walmart. Oh, you did it. You son of a gun. I knew you had it in you. Walmart on me today, boys. Walmart on me. Ah, just kidding. Just kidding. Buy your own goddamn Walmart. TLTR. Gross. Whoa, MU. What the hell is this random big ass bar? Is that all banks going on? No, JPM's not really doing that. Citigroup's not really doing that. Morgan Stanley's not really doing that. But what did that? Oh, that's MU. Whoops. I thought that was MS. So that's a conductor. Let's see. AMD not really doing that. NVIDIA's not really doing that. Okay, good for you, MU. On the 5, this looks pretty good. I mean, you're actually in gap territory, and there's no real reason for this to go up, but some crazy mother pooper probably got in here. Decent little bar, tiny little bar. Boom, huge risk to reward ratio. I mean, I don't know who, but somebody's in that. Just go. We're still in Walmart, by the way. Hasn't stopped me out yet. Are we still? Are we shorting Microsoft? Is it time? Time to short Microsoft yet? Everything else is looking dead. Nothing's really moving right now, except for, I guess, MU. But it looks like a lot of stocks are stalling. Starbucks? Wow, look at that pumpkin spice pump. More like pumpkin spice. Look at you go. A little bit of a sloppy move, but if you're in here and you take a big stop, this is why I like taking big stops, because you hold out through all this. You know, let's say you get in here, right, and you're like, all right, I'm gonna give it like a quarter, or I'm gonna give it this bar, right? You're dead. You're dead. You're out in R, probably more, because you're stupid and you over leverage. So you're already pissed, and then you miss this. So realistically, right here is a good stop loss. I mean, you're not gonna get much profit, but look how much it moves. You're over leveraged and you got out too slow, and you're stupid. Bad combination. Recipe for disaster. eBay with the movement. Hold on. My favorite stock? My favorite stock ever with the big move? Clearing bar, low key? Kinda, not really. I mean, shit. Walmart's about to stop. Stop me out. Come on, Walmart. Just do it already. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this in between, bro. I'm tired of waiting. Yep, here we go. Come on. Stop me out. Can't live like this anymore. Oh, there we go. All right, we're out of Walmart. Thank God. I was making too much money. All right, so we're out of Walmart for about 2R. Unfortunately, oh, look at this beautiful. Look at this beautiful freaking boom, bam, boom. Yeah, Oracle was nice. Damn. I went into Walmart low because oh man, I should have shorted this shit. I should have shorted this dumbass stock. Yeah, we're at Walmart for. I mean, I probably should have made more money on this. I can't complain though. This bar was just too big to really commit money into. So when I got in, my stop was literally here. You know what I mean? So I wasn't putting a lot in there. But I'm okay with that, honestly. We got in where? We got in like here. I want to say 80. I can check my previous trades. All orders, Walmart. When did I get in? Oh, I got in at 66. Oh, that's pretty good, actually. Wait, I got in that early? Holy shit. I'm a god. Damn, I suck for that. I got in at 66. Ah, whatever. I mean, I should have put more money. I'm a god for that. 66 is beautiful. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, it's alright. One day. eBay's not doing too bad here. All right, I don't know, man. We had that thing come out. What the factory? Let's see. Factory orders. Damn. Well, we did a little better than we thought, but this still sucks. Let's see if there's any news on it. I'm gonna have to go on Benzinga. All right, Walmart looking like a good exit. Good exit on Walmart. I like it. Not going much higher, so it looks like we did a pretty good job, honestly. Yeah, I don't know. We're looking pretty slow here, guys. 10 o'clock, a lot of time to go, but it's looking like a snooze fest. Looking like a real snoozer. Michi. Okay, well, this market's dead. Call it right now, market's dead. Let's see if we should have shorted Microsoft. Yeah, we should have shorted Microsoft. Should have shorted Microsoft right here. As soon as this pushed, boom. Short this, boom. You're up big profits. This is such a heavy price stock. Move is huge. Damn, Oracle. Holy Jesus Christ, Oracle. What in the world? Not stopping. No signs of stopping on Oracle. What about MU? What did MU do? Yeah. It's a nice bar, but it died out. Alright, well. Listen. You do what you can when you can what you do. What I always say. At least the music's good. Okay, well, we're dying down a bit. I'm probably going to call it. We had the one good trade on Walmart. All you need is one good trade, ladies and gentlemen. Starting off the Monday, nice, honestly. Starting off the Monday with a W. Can't ask for more than that. I'm pretty tired today. So we're gonna call it here. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I'm gonna try and probably cut up this Walmart trade and make a little short of it, and we can learn something from it. That'd be fun. But yeah, thank you everyone for stopping by. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be streaming, ideally, and we can have some more fun there. But yeah, thank you everybody. Everyone have a good one and take care. One love.